What's up, YouTube? Peace and blessings to one and all. MZ here, and I'm showing you this toilet. That's right, a toilet. Because the next story that I'm about to tell you should be in the toilet, along with the person that caused it to be a story. In Rochester, officers handcuff and pepper spray a 9-year-old girl. Now, I'm trying to figure out what could this young lady have done, or what could she be doing that warrants a police officer to handcuff her and pepper spray her. These actions of these race soldiers, killers of people, are just going too far. Now, I'm not going to say what color the young lady was because I'm pretty much sure that you all can guess. What are your thoughts on the situation? Because I dare not say what my thoughts are, because they probably could get me locked up. What do you think?